Hello and welcome to ReadyTech. Today we're going to discuss about generators basic maintenance. I'm your host GP Reddy and I'll be guiding you through this video. Let's get started. Steps of the weekly periodic maintenance of a diesel generator. 1. General eye examination. Check for any oil, fuel or coolant water leaks. Shoe oil level. Measuring the engine oil level and adding it if needed. 3. Coolant level. Checking the water level or coolant in the radiators. Battery status. Making sure battery is charged. Checking connections and cables. 5. AIR filter. Check to clean the air filter or replace it if it is dirty. Following these steps helps to detect breakdowns early and prolongs the generator's life. One of the reasons why the diesel generator changes sound than usual. 1. The load has changed. 2. Generator vibrations. 3. An imbalance of the rotating parts. 4. Glitch in the fuel system. 5. Lack of fat. 6. Changing engine speed. 7. Clogging the air filters. 8. Issues with the exhaust system. Where are the 5 6s who encourage me? Share and like.